So guys, welcome back to the vlog. Now I'm heading to the market. I actually want to rent a bike and do some, explore some areas here in Leh. And tomorrow morning I'll be going to Nubra Valley. That would be more interesting. Pretty excited. Wow, this place is so beautiful. It reminds me of Darjeeling. This is the Leh market area. This is the main market, and I'm searching for the Airtel store. I don't know, they said it's somewhere here. I want to get a SIM card, and I heard that Airtel has the best connection, so I'm going for Airtel. I won't be using my Jio. So guys, I finally got a bike. It's this thing, Thunderbird 500X, and I took the bike from Ladakh Himalayan Exposure. From our brother. Brother, what's your good name?
My name is Zishan.
Rishan.
Zishan.
Jishan, okay, yeah. So he gave me a very good deal. I could not say no. Our ride starts here. So very excited. So this is where I have taken my bike. Here's the bike. So let's go.
See this through. Sparks at night, thunder, roll another number. The guys are looking out for you. Everybody's got something to say. Everybody's got something to say.
So guys, second spot in Leh, day one. This is called Shanti Stupa, and as you can see behind me, it's the temple of Buddha. So the best thing about this place is not the temple alone, but the beautiful view of the city of Leh.
But I can see the light in every ounce of you. I can see the light in everything we do. I can see the light.
Guys, it's a beautiful viewpoint of Leh. From here, today I want to visit two more very beautiful places in Leh. The first one is Sangam, and the other one is what do you call it? Yeah, Magnetic Hill. So it is 30 kilometers away from here, approximately 40 minutes ride. So the distance should not be a problem because it's only 2 p.m. now. So let's go and see how the place is.
But I can see the light in every ounce of you. I can see.
Guys, this is one of the viewpoints. But this does not show you Ladakh exactly, but you can get the nice view of the valley. I'm stopping by to get some rest and at the same time drink a Monster. Guys, this is Sangam. Sangam, actually Sangam means meeting point. This is the place where this river and this river it meets. So that's why it's called Sangam, the meeting point. And they claim that this is the highest rafting point. Guys, I'm at a place called Magnetic Hill. So they say if you bring your car and there are 3 lines or something there, the car moves automatically on its own because of the magnetic force. But sad part is you can't experience that with a bike, so there's no point. And you have some light here, basically this side, but that's not my cup of tea, so I'm not for it. So that's it. I'll just go to the next point. Guys, I was so tired I couldn't make it to the Hall of Fames, but maybe sometime later. Guys, let me share you a few fun facts that I have learned about Leh, Ladakh, the Himalayas in general, in my visit in day 1. Okay, so these are mountains, and mountains are all rock. They're all rocky mountains. There are no trees. You hardly see any trees, and trees are there only in Leh, in the city here. And these are not like the trees that we have in the mainland. They're basically very tall, bushy. It's not like the trees that we have on our side. So, and one more thing, I heard that Leh was only a 30 square kilometer in the last census, and now it's 100 square kilometer, meaning Leh is growing, and I see many new buildings. But 70%, 60% of the city, I would say, is under the 60, let me say 50% of it is under military. So for vast lands are all under military. So yeah, I think I'll close the vlog here, day 1 vlog. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.